Hello, good morning. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Gmail account. First, you have to go to gmail.com and then click on sign in. Then you can switch to the English language if you prefer. Okay. Now click on create account. Click for myself. Put your name and put your username. Not put your username. Um, 49. Yeah. Then give your password. Then provide your phone number. Okay. After that, Google will send you a verification code. Okay. Now, if you didn't get the verification code, then you can click on call instead. Okay, wait. This verification code is coming. Okay, now we'll put another number 98038900802. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, then now your Gmail has been created.